Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 20 Grendon Road. This extended 3-bedroom semi-detached property has plenty of off-road parking, an attached garage here as well, and then a garden with a south-facing direction. Okay, then moving into the property, we've got the porch here with the door into the lobby area where the stairs lead up to the first floor, and then we've got the door into the lounge. And then we've got the built-in understairs storage cupboard. We can also see a good sized window providing lots of natural light. And moving through to the kitchen, where we have an integrated cooker and gas hob. And we've also got the utility area with space for a tall fridge freezer and space for a tumble dryer. And then into the conservatory. We've got a southerly facing rear garden here as well, so lots of sunshine here at the back of the house, and then double doors which lead out to the garden. Okay, then up onto the first floor, and we've got the split level landing and the main bedroom over on the newest part of the property, with an aspect here to the front of the house. We've also got loft access here with a pull down loft ladder and an ensuite shower room with wash basin, WC, and also a corner shower cubicle with an electric shower. And then into bedroom number 2. This one having 2 windows here to the front aspect, and also a built-in storage cupboard over the stairs. So with a good size double bedroom. And into bedroom 3. Again, a nice spacious room. And then through to the main bathroom. We've got the wash basin, WC, and also the bath cupboard with shelving space and also housing the hot water cylinder at the bottom of this cupboard. Okay, so then outside we've got the garden, which has a couple of paved levels and fenced boundaries. And then over to the side, we've got access into the garage, which has plenty of space, remote controlled up and over door. We've got power and light, and also the floor mounted gas boiler in here. And then just looking back at the property, and that concludes the online viewing for this house. If you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please contact us at the office, and we hope to speak to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.